Hello students, in this video I want to explain stability of coordination compounds under the chapter coordination compounds. Now this stability of coordination compounds can be explained on the basis of the value of stability or formation constant of a complex compound. That is, for a complex compound such as Ml4, if we follow the equilibrium reaction of formation of Ml4, for which the corresponding stability constant, which is denoted by beta 4, the value of this beta 4, if it is becoming higher, then the complex is becoming more stable. That means higher the value of beta 4, higher is the stability of the complex. Now the value of this stability constant can be determined from the values of the stepwise formation constant of the complex, and beta 4 can be denoted as the product of the stability constant of the stepwise stability constants. Now if we follow the stepwise formation of the complex Ml4, in the first step M and L in the aqueous solution forming Ml, for which the equilibrium constant we have written the concentration of the product divided by the concentration of the reactants. So in this way, for the formation of Ml2, Ml3 and lastly the Ml4, we can get the stability constant K1, K2, K3 and K4. Now if we get the product of these four steps stability constant values, formation constant values, then we can see that it is ultimately giving the value Ml4 divided by concentration of M into concentration of L to the power 4. That means product of this one, this one, this one and this one, it is giving this value. So it is ultimately the equilibrium constant for this reaction, the concentration of the product Ml4 divided by the concentration of M and concentration of L to the power 4. Now the reciprocal of this beta 4 value, which is also called instability constant or the dissociation constant. Now sometimes in numericals it is given that the value of the instability constant to be calculated. That is, if we have given like this for this complex, the beta 4 value is given, so the instability constant or the dissociation constant of this complex is 1 by beta 4. So it is the value I have shown here. Now overall the stability of complex compound, we can say that higher the value of beta 4, that means higher the concentration of this compound in the aqueous solution forming from this metal and the ligand, and higher this value beta 4, higher is the ability of formation of the complex, and on the contrary, higher the value of 1 by beta 4, that is more easily the complex is dissociated. Means if beta 4 is higher, 1 by beta 4 will be lower, and if beta 4 is lower, that means 1 by beta 4 is higher. That means if 1 by beta 4 is higher, the complex is more easily dissociated in the aqueous solution. So in this way we can explain the stability of complex compounds. Thank you.